My name is Adam Sines. This is my business partner Brian Gonzalez, and together we own 5280 Sprinter Service. Sprinters can be pretty intimidating. Even Mercedes as a whole can be intimidating. We hear a lot of customers go other places and they say, oh, it's a Mercedes, oh, it's a Sprinter, and they don't want to even touch it. And some places will do simple oil changes and things like that, but this can also be a disservice because they don't really know sometimes the right oils to use. They're very, very specific. So we come with all that knowledge. We know how to repair the vehicles. We also do provide a mobile service. So we have a mobile service van. We have everything that we need to do your basic A and B services. Larger services we prefer to do at the shop. A lot of our customers really like that have worked with us before. You know, they leave their keys in the mailbox while they're on vacation, you know, while they're working or on a bike ride. We come to their house, we service their van, and they know when they come back that it's in tip-top shape.
A lot of times we see our customers have a lot of technical questions, and we love answering those questions.
And it's really nice as technicians that know more about that side to be able to answer a lot of those questions. So we want people to feel when they leave here that they got expert level service and that they feel good about the price and that it was handled really well.
Being affiliated with TRG really gives Sprinter customers a one-stop shop for anything Sprinter. We also want to provide, best-in-class communication with our customers.
We're the only shop that you can come in, get, an upgraded suspension and also get your vehicle service at the same time. So you drop it off once, you can get a window installed, you can get an extra AC installed, whatever you want, and you can also have your van service, and there's nowhere else that does that.
You can reach us by phone, text, or call at 303-681-4640.